Welcome to the project demonstration of solar power automatic lighting system. So here the automation will be achieved with the help of LDR sensor, and these lights will get switched on whenever the darkness detected on the surface of this light dependent resistor. As you know that whenever the sunlight increases, not only sunlight, any lighting increases on the surface of this LDR sensor, the resistance between these two electrodes will be decreases. When the darkness increases, the resistance increases, so the voltage drop also increases. Based on this concept, we are providing that same signal to this transistor board, which is used to on and off these LEDs directly. So here this is the breadboard to distribute the battery voltage to the LDR sensor module and the switching circuits and LEDs. And here the main on-off switch to on and off this automation. And this battery is a rechargeable battery. We are using lithium ion battery, which is of 3.7 volts 2600 milliampere battery, and that is rechargeable through this TSOP 4056 circuits, so which will getting the power supply from this solar panel. We are using 70 by 70 millimeter 5 volt solar panel, which can generate the 100 milliamps of current, which is sufficient to charge our battery. So if you want to charge a battery, just place this solar panel under the sunlight, or when there is no sunlight is available, if you want to charge this battery, just connect the C-type charger to this TP4056. Right. So it's a multi input based mobile battery charger. So when you want to charge a battery without solar panel, just connect this C-type cable at this slot, as we are using the C-type TP4056. So there we can see the red light indication of battery is charging. When the battery is fully charged, this red light will get off and the blue light will get switched on beside of this red LED. So once the charging completes, you can disconnect the charging. And next, coming to this one, so there you can see the solar panel output is input to the TP4056 through a diode. So why? Because when we are charging the battery with help of a C-type charger, then the back voltage will be given as input to the solar panel. In order to protect the solar panel, we have placed a diode which will act as a unidirectional current flow. Means it will allow the power supply from the solar panel to the TP4056. At the same time, it will block the current flow from the TP4056 to the solar panel. So in this manner, we are going to protect the solar panel from reverse currents. And next, once the battery is fully charged, you can utilize that by on and off the automation just by switching on this, right, on and off, right. So you can check that. So here when this switch is below, the automation was on. When the switch was above, the automation will be off. Irrespective of the lighting on the solar LDR, the system won't control the lights. And the system on, automation, right. So let me explain the components again. We are using solar panel of 5 volts 100 milliamps and TP4056 with the diode. We have connected that to the TP4056, and then we have attached the 3.7 volts 2600 milliampere lithium ion battery, and the output of the battery is input to this breadboard to distribute the power supply of this battery to the input and output modules. So in our project, input modules are LDR and output modules are switching circuits through the LEDs directly, right.